Hey guys, it's Glamorous. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Sean. Welcome to my channel. I do DIY videos, lifestyle videos, challenges, and a whole bunch of fun random videos. So I hope you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and be part of the Glam Squad. So today's video, I'm showing you guys my natural makeup look. Okay, so the first thing I would do is I will put on a hydrate, because I have to moisturize my face before I put anything on it. So I use this Mary Kay hydrate. So I put that all over my face because I have really bad dry skin, so I have to make sure that I keep my face moisturized. And after I put that on, then I will go in with this cocoa butter Vaseline. Okay, I have all my natural makeup in my bag, and as you can tell, I already did my eyebrows, and the only thing I did, I used this eyebrow gel. This is regular eyebrow gel in black. Then I go back in with this black brown eye pencil. I don't do my eyebrows. I'm not that good. I'm still learning makeup, so my eyebrows don't look really good today, but it's okay. Okay, next I will go in with this eye primer from Ruby Kisses, and I'll put that on my. Actually, instead of an eye primer, I like going in with a concealer, so I will use this e.l.f. concealer on my eyelids. I like using concealer better than eye primer because I just think it looks better. And with a beauty blender. Actually, I'll use my fingers. Okay, and after I do that, I'll go in with this Warm News eyeshadow palette. This is a natural palette, it has all warm colors. And I would go in with this really, I would say this light pink color right here. And I will use my blending brush, and I will go, I cannot talk. I will go in with that in my crease for my, what do they call it? Their blending shade. I think how beauty girls call it. Then I will go in about like 3 to 5 times back and forth. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Pixie palette. It's Judy Time, and I will go in with this color called, this one is called, no, I think this one's called It's Mommy Time. Right here, and I will go and I will use my taper brush right here, and I will go in that color in with my crease. Like I said, I'm no beauty girl, so if I'm doing something wrong, then I'm just doing something wrong. This is what I do, and it looks good. Something that I do. I'm still learning makeup. Why am I looking that way? I'm sorry if I'm looking that way. It's just, I gotta get used to, I'm trying to get used to my camera. because I got a new camera. Yes. Okay, so I'm going with this color. Actually, some people just put mascara on and head out the door. Like, there's no rules to this makeup stuff. Okay. Well, I didn't put nothing on eyelids, but that's the effect of natural. Okay, now I'm debating if I'm gonna go in with the gold or if I'm gonna go in with the pink. I think I'm gonna go in with the pink because the outfit that I'm gonna wear, it has pink in it, and I don't have it with me, so I might go with the gold. Okay, so we're gonna go in with a gold, so the pink. I didn't put my pink eyeshadow in here, so I'm gonna go in with this really pretty gold color in our natural eye palette, and I'm just gonna use this flat top brush, and usually I would dip it in water, but I didn't bring a water cup and I don't feel like going back and forth, so I'm just gonna use my spit. I mean, it's mine, so I'll use it. Okay. So I'm gonna put that on the eyelid. And I love a really pretty gold. So pretty. Go with the other eye. Okay, and we're done. And I also like to go underneath my eyes with the same colors I use on top of my eyes, just to make it like even out. So I'm gonna go back with this pink shade. And then go back in with that brown orangey shade. And then can't forget the in corners. I will use a small little brush and just put gold in there. Okay. Look at that. Why can't we got that? Okay, now I'm going to do my eyeliner. Then I'm gonna go in with my volumizing from Beauty something. But I'm gonna go with this mascara, Volumize, and then I'm gonna go in with this H2O Wet n Wild Proof eyeliner. It's an eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner first. I don't know if I'm gonna do wings because I suck at doing wings. Sometimes I be trying, so I don't know. No, I'm not, because if I do it and I feel on camera, then that's just gonna be so bad. Okay. Okay. Now going with my mascara. And I love it easy goes on makeup look too, because it's like if you like sometimes like when you get up in the morning for work or something and you like don't have any time or you're just so tired, you don't feel like putting nothing on, but then at the same time you want to put something on your face because you don't want to have like either naked, like when my face is like naked, I like a plain ugly potato. I like a round fat potato, so I have to put something on my face so I won't look like a potato. At least I look a pretty potato with eyeshadow on. Like, yes, like we don't want to look like plain potatoes. We want to be glam potatoes. Okay, then I will just go in with a bronzer just to warm up my face, just to give it like a glow. And I don't have my bronzer brush. Oh my god, I just don't have any of my brushes there. Okay, I'm gonna be right back real quick. Enjoy this clip of, I'm gonna put some clip over here while I go get my brush. And we're back in live. I hope you enjoyed that iCarly clip. Okay, I got my brush. I'm gonna go in with this bronzer, and this is in, don't know, but it's a bronzer. Okay, then I'm just gonna put that just to give me some color, some glow. Then I will just go back in with my Vaseline and put some right here because I have really bad dry skin. And it's really bad, so I put Vaseline. And I really like covering up. Like I know some people like put concealer or like color corrector to like cover up their discoloration or like their patches. But I like to show it. Like I just show it. Why like cover up like so much makeup? I just show it. Like be natural. Like I'm embracing my my discoloration, my ugliness. Like, just show it and be proud of it. Cause I'm proud of it. Oh snap! I put mascara on and I forgot. Did I put mascara on already? And I forgot to use this. Curl my lashes. Oh biscuits. Okay. This makeup look is just all over the place. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this really pretty blush, Sun Kissed Tan. I love this blush so bad. I love it so much. And guess what? It was $1 at Dollar Tree. Come at me, bro. Okay, did I really say come at me? Oh, who still says that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to use this. And I love blushes. It just gives you like a boom pop of color. And this is not even my blush brush. Okay, I'm gonna go back really quick. Blush brush. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Let's not put all that up there. Okay. I'm just gonna pat that in my cheeks. Sand the cheeks. Can you see anything? Is it packing on? Can't even see nothing. Okay, I don't know why it's not. It usually comes on. Okay, there it goes. I can text it everything. Okay. Now I am gonna go, and the last thing I'm gonna do is put on a highlighter. And And I have this Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm going to use a highlighting brush and pack some highlight on my face. Oh, look at that. I like those. Okay. Trim me up, trim me up. Trim me up, trim me up. This one from the nose. Highlight everywhere, highlight everywhere. Okay. Now I'll be right back. Okay, so last thing is I forgot about my lips. So I would go in with the EOS lip balm, and I would just go over my lips, my juicy lips. I got hair in my lip balm. What the heck? Okay, the lip. And I will go in with a lip gloss, because you gotta have your lips be popping. Okay. Then after that, I'll go with another lip gloss. This is like really pretty and sparkly. Love sparkles. Go over that and give you some. Oh, look at this. Can you see that sparkles? Ooh. And boom, my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All of us jogging. They just at the school. This is the final look. Really simple, really natural, really like boom, look like a glam potato, like a little glam potato, not full glam potato, but a little glam potato. See, this is what I like. I just like a bow. I look, well, it's not really bow, it's like a little natural. I look a bow, lips, little blush, little bronzer, mascara, eyeliner, and boom, you popping up. You are popping. Check me out, check me out. Hey, check me out, check me out. What? Check me out, check me out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to do any more makeup looks, let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And always remember, be yourself and have fun doing it. And I catch you guys next time. Bye.